Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been a while now, and here I am again with some more experience in this book industry, just for you. So today I want to share with you three most important platforms where reviews matter the most for any book. And in case you are trying to make money from these books and book sales and or trying to make it a bestseller or something like that, then reviews on these three platforms actually matter the most. So let's get started. Now, the first platform where reviews matter the most is Amazon. And the answer is pretty simple. Most of the readers buy books from Amazon, and it is the largest marketplace where any reader will first go to purchase the book. Like, it is this simple. If you're selling a book, you can't just ignore this platform. And let me tell you why it is important. Well, I'm not going to just, tell you why it matters. I'm going to let you be yourself judge for it. So let's go to Amazon. I'm going to take two books that I actually really like. They both fall in the same genre and are like historical fictions, and I actually imagine. One is this book Kite Runner. I guess everybody knows about this book, right? Why it is like what it is about, and it is one of the wonderful books that I've read. But there's another again book, Island of Thousand Mirrors. This is one of the similar books, like the genre. It follows a similar genre of historical fiction. This, if you can see, both are at the same date, like 2013. It is published, and it is also published in 2013. But can you tell me that which book actually might be selling the more? Can you see the reviews over here? It has like 55k around reviews, and it has around like 1000, we can say 950,000 around reviews. So I guess I am going to let you be yourself judge and tell me that which is going to sell more. So now I guess you would have understood like why it is important and which is actually the book that is going to sell. So this brings me to the point number one, that why Amazon reviews are important. One is the credibility and the boosting that you get, because it is like you are not going to buy any single thing, not just book, but any single item from Amazon unless and until that first. Now let's take, for example, I want to buy a toothbrush. Which toothbrush I'm going to buy? First, I'm going to see that which toothbrushes have the more reviews and ratings, and then I'm going to select that which toothbrush I'm going to purchase for myself. I'm not going to purchase a toothbrush which is just has 100 reviews somewhere and I've not even heard the name of, and obviously I'm going to buy someone which is like around at least 1,000 or 10,000 plus. So same applies with a book as well. So this actually even encompasses second point, that is like it builds trust and credibility. So more the reviews, better it is. Like for any, I guess, book to build the trust, I guess minimum of 1,000 Amazon reviews will be after which you can see a significant money in sales, like a book making actually money for you. And now here's the pro tip for you. Okay, now if you are asking reviewers, or if you're asking somebody to leave review for you, I guess ask them to leave a detailed review for you, and if they add images, that is even cherry on a cake. So that is like first thing, Amazon reviews actually matter. Then coming to the second platform where reviews matter is the Goodreads. Actually, the doorbell just rang, and guess what? I just got this book. I don't know if you're able to read the name. It is like Days at Murasaki Bookshop, and this is the book I'm planning to read on my recent trip, and I'm planning to go. So as you can see that there is a smile on my face. Well. Well, I've added it here right now. Then I'll put it in the bookshelf. Well, let's get back to it, and let's again dive into the reviews, places where reviews matter the most. Okay, so the second platform we are talking about is the Goodreads. Now, Goodreads is actually the place where serious readers. I'm really sorry, there is a slip up in my tongue as you can see that I'm quite excited. Well, yes, coming back to this conversation. Okay, so the another place is Goodreads. Now Goodreads is a place where serious readers actually hang out, and if you ask me that when I was reader, first platform I used to check the ratings on is Amazon, and the very next platform I used to see for ratings is Goodreads. And the another reason why reviews on Goodreads actually matter, the presence on Goodreads matter, is here authors can actually interact lively with all the readers, unlike on Amazon. So here they can ask questions and actively participate with the readers and join the book. Yes, book discussions. Book discussions are main part on Goodreads. So these are the reasons why reviews on Goodreads as well matter the most. Now here's a pro tip for authors to build profile on Goodreads. First of all, you can get started with the profile. Then you can set up join some groups and as well participate in Goodreads giveaway where you can give your books even before the launch and get get reviews credibility for the book even before it is launched. So that is, I guess, the pro tip for the Goodreads. Now going on to the third platform where reviews matter the most is Google Books. Now I guess this is the platform that many authors tend to ignore, but it has some huge benefits. Now one of the major benefits of having book on Google Play Books is SEO. Now having reviews on Google Play Books actually boost the visibility on the Google search platform. So this is one of the major benefits. Also, another major benefit is that Amazon is restricted to, Amazon having reviews on Amazon is restricted to specific countries and specific regions. But Google provides you with global approach, global reach, I mean to say. And the benefit is that you also get Google Play Store platform, you get exposure on. Now, pro tip for you, for the authors over here, is that you can ask the readers to leave reviews directly on the Google Play Store platforms if they are reading a digital copy of the book. So that will actually help them, help you get more exposure on the Google search results. So yes, if you have written amazing book, you will have to sell it, and these are the three platforms where reviews are going to matter the most. I'm going to recap these platforms for you. First is Amazon. This is the largest marketplace for all the readers, for all the books, and most of the readers purchase book from here. Second is Goodreads. It is the place where you could start with a pre-launch all the marketing, and also here it is a place where serious readers actually hang out. And third place is Google Books. Google Play Store, having the book on the Google Play Books is going to actually help you get in front of the Google search results. So here, these are the three platforms where reviews matter the most: Amazon, Goodreads, and Google Books. So I really hope that this video actually helped you in figuring out your marketing strategies. And do hit the subscribe button and like button if you like this video. And do comment below which platforms are you right now focusing to have more reviews on. Well, I hope this helps. See you.